Alright, well I'm fixing a turn signal today on a Jeep Patriot for close family friends. So it's got 2 pop pins, that's it. That's all it's holding it in. It's kind of interesting. Usually most are like bolted in, so hopefully we can get these off. I don't have a pry tool. Usually I'll use a flathead and a needle nose, and I'll just kind of pry up on the plastic piece and then slip these in there, and I'm usually able to pull it out. So hopefully that works today. See right here, that's kind of the trick. You just kind of pry back on here and then force your needle nose in there, and then normally you can just pull right out. Trick for you, get the rest out. Thing like this. There you go. It's kind of crazy to me. That's all that's holding the taillight in, but okay. Let's get the other one. Kind of a funny spot here. There we go. All right. Just 2 little tabs, actually. There you go. Okay. Make sure that works real quick. No. There we go. Where I don't know why it took so long to come on, but okay. There we go. Pop it in. Normally you want to go halfway with this, or you can start it. See right here, it starts splitting apart. So normally you want to back it off a little bit more. Just go ahead and start it. Put it in there. And then you take the back of a screwdriver and pop it right back in there. You're done. Okay, so more than likely you're not going to have a pry tool. That's why I made this video. Just to kind of show that trick, but I mean really you just kind of get in there and pry it just enough to get your needle nose in, and then you're pretty much able to pull the rest of it out. That's the easiest way to do it. If you try just pulling it out with a screwdriver, you'll be prying forever. Obviously it'd help if you had the pry tool, but that's why I made it. Just wanted to show a little trick on how you can get pop pins out. I don't know why they're not bolts. It's kind of weird. And when you're pulling it out, you're gonna have to kind of yank it out a little bit. It's not going to hurt it. You might want to put some tape here just so you don't scratch the bumper or anything. This one's kind of already scratched up, so I think we're okay. But here's the turn signal. close up there. And it doesn't matter if it's amber. Hers was actually clear. It's not going to affect it. Thanks for watching. I hope it was some help to you. If you have any questions, just let me know. Comment if it was any help to you. Hopefully it was. Anyways, y'all have a great Christmas. Thank you. Oh.